regarding this preamble, and the questions are framed on these very arguments. We have seen 2-3 arguments, and this is the next argument, that can we amend the preamble? Is the preamble amendable? The first thing which we need to see here is, has it been amended? Has it been amended? Has it been amended? Has it been amended? If yes, then what were the terms which were added through amendments? What were the terms which were added through amendments? See, the preamble was amended once. The preamble was amended once in 1976 through the 42nd Amendment. (1976) 42nd Amendment, and it added 3 words. It added 3 words in the preamble. What were the words? Those were socialist, secular, and integrity. These were the words. Which were added by the 42nd Amendment. Divani, it's not sovereign. It's secular. Sovereign is from the very beginning. Try to read the preamble once without these amendments. Just try to read it once without these 3 provisions. Try to read it once without these provisions. Now let's come back. So, with this very statement, it is very clear that we can amend the preamble. But the amendment wala provision is with respect to that basic structure also. Like, we cannot go against the basic structure. Whatever has been mentioned by the judiciary as the basic structure, we cannot amend those parts. Otherwise, it has been amended, and it can be amended without harming the basic structure. And we can see this to this 42nd Amendment of Indian Constitution. Here at this very point, we can see that through the 42nd Amendment 1976, it was amended, and 3 words were added. What were the words? It was socialist, secular, and integrity. These were added by the 42nd Amendment 1976.